In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Orange County. We'll be using the Orange County Court's website to locate the payment area and find the OC pay number connected to your citation or case. This process is fairly simple, but it helps to move carefully so you enter the right information and land on the correct page. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Orange County Court's website at otcourts.org. Once the homepage loads, look across the top menu for the Online Services section. This is where the court provides access to different digital tools, including traffic and payment-related services. Click on Online Services and from there select OC Pay. This will take you to the OC Pay page, which is the court's online payment portal for eligible matters. When the page opens, scroll down until you see the section labeled Get My OC Pay Number. This part is important because many users need that number before they can continue with payment. In that section, click the link that lets you search for your OC Pay number using the Criminal and Traffic Case Access application. If you already have your citation number or case number, but you do not have your violation information notice, don't worry. The instructions on the page explain that you should return to the home page and use the Get OC Pay Number button found on the left-hand side of the screen. This shortcut is designed specifically for people who need to retrieve their OC Pay number before making a payment. Go ahead and click on Get OC Pay Number. A new tab should open, taking you to the search page. On this page, enter your case number or citation number into the case or citation number field. Take a moment to type it carefully, since even a small error can prevent the system from finding your record. After entering the number, click Submit. This will send your information through the system so you can locate the OC Pay number associated with your ticket. Once you've found that number, you'll be in the right place to continue with the payment process through the Orange County Court system. As a helpful tip, make sure you're using the information exactly as it appears on your citation or court paperwork and double check the spelling and numbering before submitting. That can save time and reduce errors. And that's how to get started paying a traffic ticket online in Orange County through the official court website.